guys, my name is Priyanshu and today I'm gonna share a bug that I faced while implementing the in-app purchase. Um, so right now my app has three purchase subscription types. Um, those are basic, essentials, and premium. And I was using Flutter in-app purchase package to do it. So there is a serious problem that a lot of developers don't know about this. This package, this StoreKit, this is for iOS, and there is another package in-app purchase that is necessary to do this. Okay, so these two are necessary for iOS, and this in-app purchase StoreKit package had some serious issues. So the issue is that when I was trying to resubscribe the same plan, let's say a user subscribed a plan and then he cancelled or it expired. Now, if the user is trying to, I was doing it in the sandbox. So if I was trying to resubscribe the cancelled plan, it was always giving the response as restore, and it wasn't allowing to make the payment and resubscribe the plan. So this was the issue, and I'm sure a lot of developers don't know about this, and if you're here, that means you're also wondering how to fix this. So I did some research and I found out the simple solution for this is that to downgrade your in-app purchase StoreKit package and your in-app purchase package. So let me just show you what I did. What you can do also is go to your pubspec.yml file, and I'll show you. So just use this version of StoreKit package. This is the version 0.3.22, and keep the in-app purchase package null so it can automatically use the 0.3.2 related in-app package version. If you will use the latest in-app purchase version, it's gonna show you an error because this StoreKit downgraded version of 0.3.22, it's not that the in-app purchase package doesn't support this one, the latest one. In-app purchase package doesn't support this 0.3.22, so it's gonna ask you to upgrade it. But if you can just keep it null or empty like this, it's all automatically gonna adjust the package. So you just keep it null, and for StoreKit you just put 0.3.22, and it's gonna allow you to resubscribe the package, so you can test it in sandbox. But after doing it, there is one more thing that I should say you. Earlier, if you are using the latest one, the one with the bug right now, I'm sure they are trying to solve it, or how long if it's gonna take. I have no idea about that. But if you use the latest one, the latest package, there is a problem that the receipt that you're gonna get is in encrypted form. So the latest package can decrypt it, and you can fetch those payment receipt details directly in your client side. But if you will downgrade it to this one, this 0.3.22, they won't be able to decode it. So you will have to implement the verification from your client side also to fetch those receipt details like transaction ID, original transaction ID, and everything if you need that thing. So make sure to get the secret key from your app store, and just hit the API. You can just chat GPT how to verify that. So it'll just give you a simple function where you can hit the API with the shared key, secret key, which you can get it from your Apple Connect, and fetch those decoded results. Once you get those results, decoded results, you can just use it whatever you want or however you want. Yeah, so this is the solution. But if you are using the latest one, the StoreKit, the latest version, which has the restore problem, but it is gonna decode that thing itself, so you don't need to re-verify it by those APIs. So I am using my backend is dependent on webhook, so they are just directly using the webhook, and I am sending the decoded version after getting the receipt. So I'm sending it to the backend by decoding it first, since I downgraded it. So this is a solution here. I hope this can help you. I'm recording it on my phone because I don't have my laptop right now, and I felt like this is something that a lot of people, I guess, are struggling. So I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye.